Does YouTube TV include NFL Network? Yes, YouTube TV includes NFL Network in its base subscription, providing access to live exclusive games, popular shows like Good Morning Football, NFL Total Access, and NFL Game Day Morning, as well as original series such as A Football Life and America's Game. Steps to access NFL Network on YouTube TV. Step number 1. Subscribe to YouTube TV. Visit the YouTube TV website and sign up for the base plan, which includes NFL Network. Step number 2. Navigate to NFL Network. Once subscribed, access the live channel guide within YouTube TV to locate NFL Network and start watching its programming. Step number 3. Enhance your experience with NFL RedZone. For additional NFL coverage, consider adding the Sports Plus add-on to your subscription, which includes NFL RedZone. This channel offers live coverage of every touchdown during Sunday afternoon games. Step number 4. Access NFL content on multiple devices. YouTube TV allows streaming on various devices, including smartphones, tablets, computers, and smart TVs, enabling you to watch NFL Network content wherever you are.